Leah and Ash, I'm so happy to be in your beautiful living dining space, which just fills me with utter joy. Today we're going to talk about what you saved on and what you splurged on.
Being living and dining, it's the main areas of the home. So we wanted to, when we splurged, I think we went hard for it because it really is the jewel in the crown. These custom marble stairs, I wanted to create a big moment of interest. Marble is not cheap and it's also not very cheap to lay. So that was a big, big splurge.
Then the Venetian plaster, it's such a hero as well. Feels awesome, it looks amazing. The colour choice on that, we butted heads a little bit because I think Leah wanted to do the whole back wall in pink, but then we decided just to do this. It ties the whole area together really well.
And then the moments of saving, I've got these beautiful feature cushions, but I needed some other pieces. So the two bigger cushions are just from Target, and same with a couple of the vases and candles around here. Some freedom pieces and a cheaper rug. And those little bits and pieces that you can bring in and take out, we've tried to save on those.
And guys, this amazing light fitting behind me, it is such a beautiful chandelier. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so this one is actually from Beacon. It almost looks like a replica of the Murano chandeliers.
Straight from Venice in Italy.
Exactly, yeah. It was quite affordable and it is the hero of our dining room.
Yeah, well, the whole house just feels like it's singing at the moment. So congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
It's such a beautiful property.